In this video, I have the Bauer 20 volt cordless string trimmer. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. I'm also going to show you how to install the guard on this. So first things first, walkthrough. So you have an adjustment handle here, adjustment screw, lefty loosey. It goes all the way back, all the way forward. A little bit, requires a little bit of effort there, but here you have the scooping tool to make it longer, which is nice. And I'm just going to compare the length with this box here. So it's longer than the box. So it's kind of nice. Just don't feel like bending down too much. So now we're going to show you how to put the guard on. Well, actually, I want to show you how to adjust the head part of the trimmer. So to do that, let's just put this back a second. Oh, earthquake. So now, for the head part, there is a lock, lock, unlock. So unlock means you can move this whole head so it doesn't go past a certain point here. So it goes all the way back, about like this, like an L, pretty much, kind of. All the way this way, so to straight. All right, and if you want to lock it, we'll hold it in place there. And here is the same thing. So now to put on the guard, pull this guard out, piece it out. Try to seat it as best you can. Sorry, I'm trying to show you and do it at the same time, so it's kind of making your eyes move, I guess. All right, so now from here, you want to take your guard here, and you want to, there's like a slot area here. Okay. So you want to, there's a piece here. You want to try to get this piece in here with this piece. So let's try it. And we have to try to snap it and try to get a good spot here. It does require a little bit of effort here. And the space I'm working in isn't the biggest, so apologize for that, all the moving. So you want to take this screw here, put this down in this hole here. You gotta kill it. From here, Phillips. This is the name of this one. Phillips the Phillips head screwdriver. All right, that's good. And then make sure it doesn't come out. We'll tug test. Seems to be good. And that's how you put the guard on. So you have your wheel assembly. This can go a couple different ways here. So you have a tab here. So you install it, right? And you want to release it. You would have to push this down and pull it. Well, here you have a slotted area right in here. So this can go a couple places. This can go here. You can put this, see this metal plate? Right, you want to put your tab, like your metal plate, into the slotted area. And there you go. That's how you install it. Let's say you go, oh man, how to get this thing off? Oh, geez, Louise. So now what you have to do now is you have to push this button and then get a third hand and then pull up. So again, it's going into this slot here. I'm gonna focus my camera here. Slot here, middle plate. All right, so it is locked. It does lock good. And then you could push the tab, this piece here. All right, I would just kind of put it on the ground slightly, kind of hold it here and pull up. And then you also, multiple uses here. So here I'm just gonna unlock it here so I can show you a little bit better. You can actually put the wheel assembly over here as well. So there is another metal plate down here. Okay, so it goes a couple ways here. You could put the wheels, have them facing this way, or have them facing this way. So let's say you put it this way first, and you go, oh man, I want it the other way. Again, release tab, pull up, and then switch it. And then struggle for about a second. It's hard to do this on camera. Well, it starts by going the right way. All right, that was operator error there. So that's how you get it the other way, right? So now you could have it that way. So you could have this guard out if you want, or you can kind of just push it this way if you want. And that is a general overview of this. Again, put this down a second. I would probably use the 5 amp battery. If you have 3 amp or better, 3 amp it will work fine. If you have the smaller one, smaller battery, the 1.5 amp, it probably won't perform the same way. Optimal performance, so probably be a little bit sluggish, and battery will die pretty fast. So 3 or better. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments. Thank you for your time.